Hello friends, welcome to my channel J Makeover, and in this video I'll be showing one side fishtail braid. I just made my hair this silky smooth using a trick. If you want to know the trick, please watch my previous video. And from your center of the eyebrow, just go up and join both the fingers. Using the index finger you should do this. If you do like this, you will get this perfect C curve. And that's what you should start with your comb. Keep combing, don't leave that partition. And here I want small poof. I'm not going to keep any poof pad, but I'm going to use a brush comb from Iconic. Just back comb like this using the brush comb. It gives poof without spray or poof pad. I need very small poof. I just wanted to demonstrate this. So that's it. I am securing it with pins. The link for the products will be given in the description, so please check. And again, on both the sides I take a little more hair and secure it along with the poof partition. On the other side too. Very little. If you bring it now on one side to make the fishtail braid, what will happen is the entire hair will fall on your ear. That will be disturbing so much. It's not good. So you can use this kind of smaller clutch pins or this kind of side pins to secure the hair in the way I will just show you here. Keep all the hair here. Just using your index finger, just take away the hair that falls on the ear and take it to the back. Just very little. What exactly falls on the ear when you leave it at the back. So along with this, you have to take little hair in from the center like this. Hold it. And I'm going to use this pin. You can use clutch pins. Okay, so now it's secure. If you bring this on one side now, see, no hair falls on the ear, so it will not disturb you. The backside pin will get hidden in the plate, or you can hide it with the flowers or any other hair accessories if you have. I'm going to braid it, fishtail braid one side. So divide the entire hair into two parts. From the outermost part, take a small strands of the hair. Again, from the outermost on both the sides. Again, small strand of hair from outermost. Again here too. Why I tell you to take from outermost part is the strand will come all the way. It will cover the entire section of the hair. Okay, one side section it will completely cover, so that the braid will not come out. It will not become loose. It will stay tight until you open it. So I continue to do that. Take a small strand and add it to the other part. And again take the small strand from the outermost and add it to the next section of the hair. So I'm almost done. I just recently had a haircut that was straight cut, so the strands of the hair tend to come out. With the other haircut it may not end. I'm pretty okay with the thickness of the braid, so I'm not going to pull the hair out. If you want more thickness, you can pull the strands out, and I'm going to just secure it with a usual rubber band. The one side fishtail braid doesn't need anything fancy. This normal rubber band will be fine. So that's all. It's very simple. Just follow that one trick. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.